Hey, what's up guys, it is Dragon came back for another Spirit Animals video, and today I am starting out with doing 3 mystery boxes, and this will be at the beginning of every episode. Not as good as anything that I have right now.
Everyone goes for the mystery item.
I want to try to get some rare things. Yeah, none of those are rare things. But this dirty crossbow 5.5 is what I really wanted to come and get.
Well, not really.
And that's pretty much all. Because I don't really have a good bow tape weapon. Yeah, 3 damage. This is pretty good, 5.5. It's better than my axe, I think. How good is this? 7.3. That's 5 damage. This is 5. How much damage is this? 3. That's 7. Yeah, that's better. Okay then. What I wanna do today is play this is pretty much a level that I have on my other guy.
There's much wrong in the world that needs righting. Are you prepared?
And okay, and I haven't actually played the other boss one. I have, but it is super hard. So I think with you guys, I can do it. So then, let's see what we can do.
I know you can succeed.
You and your spirit animal must defeat a conqueror in Nilo. Let's go. To use a skill, tap the icon you want to use from the skill bar on the bottom of your screen. Okay. This boss, is very powerful. That's why I haven't beat him with my other guy. But I think with this stuff, I think I can, because on my other guy, I have like 4 damage and 4 damage for my swords, and my bow is the first bow that I got. So I think I can do this, guys. Brian, a conqueror infiltrator, is about to poison an important water source in Nilo. We must stop him. Dead. I want to try to kill all of the guys that I can, because I need some XP really badly. And I mean real badly. And these are pretty good for because the melee actually attacks them all. Attacks a lot. So it is very good to use when you're trying to fight a lot of people at once. And you're about to see why this boss is so hard. Oh, I actually haven't got there yet. Oh yeah. Shoot it! Oh man, I was hoping to shoot it with my new bow. But it's super hard to shoot on this game. Oh, just see to do that. Oh, I thought that was a better one. Boom! Oh, that was 3. That is pretty good. And because You really don't have you. What? Oh God, I am poisoned. I never have fought one of those spiders, so yeah. They just got poisoned. At least I get my health back really fast. Shoot them! Oh God, shoot that. Shoot it. Okay, just go in for it. I was saying shoot it because if you try to shoot, I think if you shoot the arachnids, then you can't get poisoned. And I think that is the worst part of the arachnids. I don't know. Well, yeah. Okay. Are you guys ready for this boss? I don't think you guys are ready. Here he is. Yeah. Kill it! Kill the conqueror! Here, I'll... No, poop. No, heal! Heal! Oh, why didn't you use heal? This guy doesn't use heal too good. Like, if you have enough time to use heal on this one, then you won super easy because heal comes back really fast, and if you can use your attacks really fast, then you can use like provoke and my slashing attack, then it's super easy to beat this boss, I think. It's just that you can't heal easy, and that's the bad thing about this boss. I'm going in it full again. Going in again. I'll be back once I'm back. Okay guys, I'm back right next to the boss. I'm getting in here right now. This boss will not live to see another day. He probably will, because this boss is overpowered. But no, because this boss is like level 7 and level 5, so I'm scared because I don't see him. Oh God, there he is. Your spirit animal can attack for major damage on this boss, so. What? No, use heal. Ah, I need one. Okay. Oh my God. I almost died there. I will not lose. Ready for this? Let's try out provoke. Provoke! No, you are enslaved, Lion King. Join us. We will save you. You freed the lion. Okay. Now the only thing... Oh wait, did I kill him? Oh, I did. Oh, so I just had to kill the lion, it looks like. Hold on, Keeper. You saved many, but stopping the save was something. Before it could begin. Yes. Ooh, sticky sap. Ooh, I'm level 5 at least. I told you guys, that boss is very hard. So, I defeated it, so I am very lucky for that. Because I didn't even have some really good things too. I only had 7 attack and 5. That was only level 4 by then. I have no idea how I defeated that guy, but I did. I think it was because I had your guys' help and my spirit animals' help. Oh yeah, you reached level 5. Visit to equip the full next quest or whenever you want to change skills. Let's go. I actually want to try out this skill because I never have before.
Better to have the skill and not need it than need it. You might even be able to scratch old. Pick your potion.
Oh, what does this one do?
These are all made with fresh ingredients.
Okay. I don't know why I'm in a random order, but
We appreciate your help, Keeper. Your unique gift makes you an important ally.
I think that'll be the end of this video. I'm coming back right after this because I actually got this and I want to try out this new thing. But just before we do that, just before I need to leave, let's go check out the armory and Sword of Lion King. Supreme hand axe of the lion. This is, oh,